Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn question number 34 from your first PUC question paper. Question number 34, fifth main from your question paper, and it carries totally 4 mark. And from the articles you have to write 2 articles. You have to fit in 2 articles in the question, in the paragraph given. For that carries 2 mark. The rest 2 are preposition. So the main 34, question number 34, main 5 carries altogether 4 marks. 2 marks for articles and 2 marks for preposition. It will be a small paragraph from your textbook itself. So let us see today how to score 2 marks from this main 34, fifth main, question number 34. Once an old hermit saw a knight catching a little mouse. He felt sorry for the mouse. He took an apple and threw it and at the kite. The kite dropped the mouse in the fear and flew away. Then the hermit picked up the mouse and by his holy power changed it into a young maiden. So, in this paragraph, the first line itself, we have used all the articles a and a and the mouse, an old hermit, a kite, a little mouse. So these are the 3 articles in English. In the next paragraph also you can see that only 1 paragraph is given, but we have used all the 3 articles, and it is not compulsory that in the paragraph you will have all the 3 articles. It's not compulsory. So in this class today we are going to learn where to insert the right article and which are the articles in English. An article is an adjective. Like adjective, article modify nouns. So article is an adjective and it modify changes the nouns. A and the are the articles. So here I have highlighted with the red color the articles a and the. The a and an are called indefinite article and the is called definite article. That means articles are classified into 2 categories, that is definite and indefinite. There is only 1 definite article, that is the, and 2 indefinite article a and an. So let's see here, article is divided into 2, definite the and indefinite is a and an. A and the, these are the articles in English, and if you learn correctly to insert it or correctly what word to place and the rules, what is the benefit? Definitely you are going to get 2 marks. And one more added advantage for you, for the first PUC English students, that only from your textbook itself these articles and preposition comes. And as I told earlier, it is a combined question, that is fill in the blanks with the right articles and preposition. 2 marks for articles and 2 marks for preposition. So a and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. So the is used for specific and a and an is used for non-specific. Non-specific means not mentioned properly, or it is not that particularly mentioned. So let's see in detail. We use a, an or the before nouns that we want to introduce. So we will use these 3 articles before nouns if you want to introduce. For example, what is a noun? Nouns are name of people, place or thing. So here you can see a person, a place, a thing. And here, let us deviate little from this article right now. So how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters, right? Yes. And it is divided into three, that is vowels, articles and diphthongs, and it is not needed for your examination, for your information. And what are these vowels? Yes, I know, definitely all of us are familiar with vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U are the articles in English, and the balance are the consonant sound in English. And diphthong is the combination of a vowel and a consonant. For example, apple. A, it's a vowel sound. P is a consonant. When I say the word apple, it's not apples. That a sound comes. So, when you join a vowel and a consonant, it is called as diphthong. It is just for your information. So, here in the blue box, I have put all the consonant sound. And coming back to the articles now. So, where should we place the article A? Yes, remove all the vowels and rest of this place we have to put articles. So, for example, a boy. B is a consonant, right? Next, C, a cat. It's a consonant. D, a dog. So, before any consonant sound, we have to insert the article a. Before a singular noun beginning, also we have to insert the article a. So these are the two general rules where you have to check when to put a and an before a vowels, before a consonant sound and before a singular noun. You have to insert which article? The article A. So, English is a beautiful language. At times, we are not, our mother tongue is not English. So, we have to learn. It's not comes for us naturally. So, there are a lot of things to learn, and mainly it depends on the pronunciation. It is not pronunciation, it is pronunciation. B, that is B and D are the voiced sound in English, and C are the voiceless. So let us, what are the consonant sound? Yes, except A, E, I, O, U, rest are the consonant sound, and again it is being divided into voiced and voiceless. And one more another thing for your information, M and N. See, M and N, how do you pronounce? We pronounce it as M, N. So you are producing these two sounds not with your glottis or the vocal cord, but with the help of your nose. So these are called as the nasal sound in English. Is it interesting? Yes. So consonants, vowels and diphthongs, and again alphabets, how it is termed as voiced and voiceless. And two nasal sounds are there in English, that is M and N. With the help of the nose, you're making the sound M and N. So coming back, when to insert A? If it is beginning with a consonant sound and beginning with a singular noun. And these are the exception. So you will see the example of a European, a unit, a uniform. When you see all this word, U, A, E, I, O, U, the last vowel, it is a vowel. So why I wrote a European? It has to be an European. Isn't it so? But as I said, it is not how we pronounce the word. That's the reason I was trying to tell you vowels, consonants, diphthong, voiced sound, voiceless sounds. So when I pronounce the word European, it is not E sound. It is written is E-U-R-O. Understood? But pronunciation is not European, it is yo sound. So A-E-I-O-U. So U is what it is. It is not a, check once again, you try to pronounce, it is not European, it is European, yo sound. So yo is a consonant, it is not a vowel. So this is an exception as per the sound. It is European, unit, union. It is what? It is not a vowel sound. So you have to insert what? Not a vowel, but a consonant. That is the reason I have inserted a European, a unit, a union. I hope it is clear. So this is an exceptional. We are not looking into the words, but we are looking into the pronunciation. I hope it is clear for you. Let's see few more examples. Some words start with a vowel letter but beginning with a consonant sound. So we use A before these words. Again, U, uniform, university, one rupee. When you pronounce it is university, uniform. So it's a consonant sound. So instead of an, I am inserting the article a. And one eye, it is not on eye. It is how it is, one eye is pronounced v, w, verse sound. So that is the reason it is written as a 1 rupee. As per the pronunciation, it seems to like a consonant sound. So kindly note, it's an exceptional case. We use A before words that beginning with consonant. A girl, a clock, a lamp, a dog, and so on. We use and before words that beginning with a vowel sound. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. An orange, an umbrella, and I. The is used before unique objects, the sun, the sky, the moon. So unique object, the article the is inserted. Before the names of the mountains, rivers, ocean, desert. The Ganges, the Sahara Desert, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. Before the names of book, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. So where we use the article the is used before unique object, before the names of the mountains, rivers, ocean, desert, and before the names of the book. But not the Bible, the Ramayana, when we specify the book. Before the superlative degree, the best, the tallest. Before musical instruments, the flute, the violin, the guitar, the piano. Before an adjective to denote a whole class, the old man, the rich, the poor. Then last, let's see omission of article. Sometimes we don't require to insert an article or in certain places. So where should we omit or where we shouldn't use? That is before the names of relation. Father, uncle and sister, you no need of writing an article. A sister, no need of writing an article. Before the names of material, before the names of proper noun, Lotus, Chennai, before the abstract noun, before languages, before certain phrases, at noon, by train, on foot. So here in this 6 points: name of the relation, name of the material, proper noun, abstract noun, languages and certain phrases. No need of inserting article. It is been omitted. So let us see the textual exercise from your own English textbook articulation. This is the first exercise in page number 1. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. He is the youngest son in the family because it is specific. Anu is looking for, not nobody will say the job, it is a job. Could you close the door, please? Anil is an optician. So here, article or which article you have to think, because O is a vowel. So instead of A, we will write an optician. Dr. Shankar is a dentist. D is a consonant, a dentist. And here is one thing to be noticed. M. It's when you see the word M, it is a consonant sound, isn't it so? But when you pronounce it is M, a sound is coming. MLA, so as per the pronunciation, it is an MLA, not a MLA. So here, these are the exceptional case, as I told you early, just like a university, a union. Raju is in the class. Have you ever visited the Andaman Islands? Please bring a kilo of apples. Mara did not have any teeth on the right side of his mouth. Please write this answer in your articulation book with a pencil. It is good to write with a pencil because if you make mistake, it is easy to erase it off. And it's your choice, it's your book. So you can use either a pencil or a pen to write in your English workbook articulation. Choose the correct option. Do you enjoy listening to music? Options are given: the music, no music. My brothers speak French. I spent my childhood in Bangalore. We are skiing in the Alps. The sun rises in the east. So, like this, a small paragraph will be given. And what is the question number for it? Question number 34. That is the first grammar part starts for you. Comprehension is after comprehension, this is the grammar part for you, the first one in your question paper. And how do it appear? As I told you, it is combined question with articles and preposition. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the wherever necessary. If no article necessary, put X. And here, since now we are dealing with only article, we have to insert only article right now. But for your examination, question number 34, how it comes, I'll fill in the blanks with right, articles and preposition. Here the X blank will not come. For your understanding, we are doing it. And just for an example, but question number 34, how it comes, fill in the blanks with right, articles and preposition. 2 marks each. An old pilgrim was making his way to the Himalaya in the cold winter. That's mountain. So the, and because vowel, and in, why and in I is a vowel. The, because it is specific, so I have used specific, said to him. So there, no article. How will you ever get this there in this kind of weather, my good man? The old, because it is specific, we are inserting the my heart got there first, so it is easy for the rest of me to follow. So as I told you, a and an are the indefinite article, and only you have to check whenever you have to put. If it is a vowel sound, insert an. If it is a consonant sound, insert a. If it is specific, what you have to do, put the article the. But there are exceptions for article. You have to check the pronunciation. If the pronunciation seems like an vowel sound, you have to insert, even if it is a consonant sound, you have to insert the the consonant sound. So these are the 2 examples given for you. Can we do quickly for your understanding? Yes, 2 examples are given to you, and it is there in your textbook, page number 5. Please open your textbook and write, and try to write the right articles as I've taught you. If I find any trouble with the articles, please text me. I am there to help you out. And before could we end the session, what I wanted to tell you is this main question number 34 is easy to score. Only you have to insert either 3 of the articles, and right now you know what it is, nothing to by heart. A is used before a consonant sound, an is used before a vowel sound. The definite place we are using the article the. And only one thing you have to note, that according to the pronunciation, sometimes in certain word, for example, an honest, even though H is the, H is consonant over the, but its O is pronounced. So an honest man. So these are the exceptional cases. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can comment in the comment box. Plus you can like and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a spirit-filled day. May God bless you all.